How to get shout out happy birthday story on your Instagram. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how you can get the shout out happy birthday story on your Instagram. So it's always a great way to show your friends that you are still thinking about them on their birthdays, to give them a shout out. So what you can do is simply head over to your story section, and from over here simply click on create, and you can also change your theme according to your friend's vibe or your choice like this. And from over here what you can do is simply head over to mention section and just mention your friend. It's like this, as you can see. And and just like this you can celebrate your phone's friend's birthday. You can also add a similar type of stories like this, from where you can celebrate your birthday partner's birthday, just like this. So hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.